Hi all, welcome to Craft and Canvas. Today we will be seeing how to make this mini explosion chocolate box. Let us see the components of the box. First is the lid of the box. Second is the chocolate holder. And finally we have the cover of the box. So to do this box we will need 3 templates. Without further ado, let's begin. To make the templates we will need a paper, a ruler and a pencil. We will first begin by drawing at the edge of the paper so that we cover all 3 templates in a single sheet. For the first template, we will need 15 cm square, which will be equally divided to half squares of 5 x 5 x 5 cm as shown. Once the square is ready, on these 4 corner squares, we will mark a midpoint at 2.5 cm as shown. Now take a compass measuring 1.5 cm and draw a circle using the midpoint we marked at the corner squares. Our first template is now ready. For the second template, start by measuring 9.5 cm from the edge of the paper as shown. The distance between the 2 dots must be 4.5 cm. Connect these dots. We are going to measure 4.5 cm distance at the edge of the paper as well to create a rectangular box. Now mark dots at 1 cm from the bottom and top edges and connect these dots as shown. Now from the lines created, mark dots at 1.5 cm and draw lines. Again, draw dots by measuring 1.5 cm to the left and right of the rectangular box and connect the dots as shown. Finally, draw a trapezium by using the mid of this box as shown. For the third template, draw lines parallel to the edges of the paper at 1 cm distance as shown. We will mark dot measuring 5.2 cm from the created lines as shown. Join these dots. Complete the square by extending the lines by 1 cm as shown. The third template is now ready. For the second template, we will have to mark midpoint for the inner box and draw a circle measuring 1.5 cm. All 3 templates are ready. This one is for the lid of the box, this is the cover and this is the chocolate holder. Now using these 3 templates, we will cut the cardboard paper. We will fold the cardboard paper at the scoring lines created. Time to stick them all together. You can use glue or double-sided tape. For the cover, I am using the double-sided tape. Make sure you stick them in the same side of the squares as I have. Remove the tape and stick the squares together as shown. For sticking the chocolate holder corners, I am using glue. Stick them as shown, and for the bottom of the holder, I am using double-sided tape. Remove the tape and stick the holder at the middle of the cover as shown. Stick it carefully so that when you close the covers, the box gets aligned correctly. For the lid, I am again using glue to stick the edges. We have all the components ready. For the final touch, we will add embellishments. Embellishments can be of your choice and are optional. Put a chocolate inside and cover the lid. Your mini explosion chocolate box is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it. Please do like, share, comment and stay tuned for more videos.